Good morning guys, and welcome back to another cheap quick tip. So it's getting into the new year shortly, and we've got so many awesome plans for the Cheap Jeep channel with the TJ and a couple of other things as well that I'm really excited about. So if you guys want to be a part of that, please smash that subscribe button. We will be uploading 2 videos every single week without a doubt. Hopefully I'll get some new content out that will just bring the whole channel in a completely different direction for the new year, which I'm really excited about. And as always, please smash that like button. It's going to help out the channel in a massive way. Today's quick tip is how to make your own DIY door straps, adjustable door straps. So every time my wife is in my Jeep, she gets in and out and she complains that the door opens too far and she's going to dent someone else's car or dent my Jeep, which is not ideal. Jeep has made a great system where it's just really simple. It's just that tab, it's hooked up to that little metal pulley there, and when you take that off you can either take your doors off or they can swing all the way open. But when you're in a car park, for some reason car parks are getting really tight nowadays, and with having doors that you can't control if they open this far, that far, that far, it's quite annoying. You're more than likely to smash someone else's car or your own car. So you can buy adjustable door straps from eBay or Amazon, and I was going to order some, but trying to get some over Christmas and New Year, most people are shut down, they're not working, and shipping is normally a nightmare and it takes a lot longer. So for the time being, I just thought I'd make my own DIY adjustable straps. The ones you can buy online about $10 or $15, which isn't too bad. I'll probably still end up buying these, but just for the time being, if these ones work perfect, and they might last a long time, hopefully they will, I probably will just leave them as is. But $10 or $15 isn't too bad. But this is just a good DIY tip that will get you guys a little bit more control back in your doors. So I'll chuck you guys on tripod and I'll show you guys how to adjust them. So on Jeeps we've got this little tab here that's connected to this little metal bracket. All you've got to do is slide that off, and it's actually got a little hole just here, and I tried to actually loop that through first, but it was too small. You couldn't actually get out of the Jeep. It doesn't open far enough. So my idea is all you need is a little cable tie. The bigger the better, because then you can adjust it more. Just loop it through that second hole and just do a couple things tight, and then you can chuck it on. You can already see that's a lot shorter there. But then what you can do, just like adjusting a cable tie normally, just pull it tighter, take the pressure off the door, and then you can get your wife or whoever to see how tight they want to go, and you can just adjust it to any length, and then the door's not going to open as far. And if you want to go a bit shorter, you can just take the pressure off the door, tighten it up more, and there you go. That's probably actually a good distance there. I'll get my wife to check that. But instead of it opening, I forget how far it is, probably open all the way back to here, straight across, it's open that far. That's enough distance for you to get out of the Jeep and not to hit someone else's door. And then if you don't like it, or you still want to take your doors off, you can just unhook it normally, and away you go. And then just attach it back on like you would with the normal strap, and then you can just cut that little tab off there and you're done. Alright, that's pretty much it for today guys. Just something real quick and easy. All you need is a $5 pack of cable ties, and you've got adjustable door straps. You can make your wife happy. Happy wife, happy life. So as always guys, thank you so much for watching these videos. If you did like them, smash that like button, and also smash that subscribe button as well. We've got a lot of awesome things coming up in the new year, a lot more adventures, and a lot more Jeep content as well. And if you've got anything to add, please leave it on the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.